Let's face it, we all have those stubborn areas of fat we just can't get rid of. Meet Silk'n Lipo, the first targeted fat reduction device for home use that really works. No diet, no exercise. Simply use Silk'n Lipo for just 15 minutes a day and get results. Just 8 weeks targeting stubborn areas will reduce fat and strengthen underlying muscles, so you can give your body the shape you've always wanted. Silk'n Lipo uses the same proven technology found in the large professional light therapy machines found in the world's most advanced and expensive beauty clinics. We've simply shrunk that same technology into the first ever affordable, easy-to-use home device. To make it even better, we've combined the low-level light therapy with electrical muscle stimulation technology, EMS, to optimize the fat reduction and strengthen underlying muscles.
Low-level light therapy is a proven technology for the permanent reduction of fat with years of clinical experience. In my own clinic, low-level light therapy is one of the most popular. It can permanently slim, firm, and shape areas without downtime, without pain, or without discomfort, without the side effects associated with traditional surgical treatments. When I first heard that they've been able to compact low-level light therapy into a simple little home device, I was understandably skeptical. But when I reviewed the basic science and the results, I've come to realize the Silk'n Lipo is as effective as some of my large body contouring low-level light therapy systems I use in the office, that the patient can use 15 minutes a day and deliver the same kind of permanent fat contouring and body slimming results I've been able to achieve with in-office treatments.
How does it work? Fat is accumulated by your body and stored in fat cells under your skin. Silk'n Lipo uses specifically calibrated frequencies of light to perforate fat cell walls, releasing their fatty contents and harmlessly causing shrinkage in the region. Once outside the cell, your body's natural processes flush the fatty acids out of your system in the same natural way regular dietary fiber is expelled. To accelerate this process, and to help build strength and muscle tone, Silk'n added EMS technology. This stimulates muscle activity and circulation in the treated area, speeding up the rate at which the excess fat is flushed out of your system, leaving your body looking its best. Say goodbye to stubborn fat.